Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be recreating this look, and this is inspired by Sonam Kapoor's second red carpet Cancer 2018 makeup look. She looked beautiful in this dress and her makeup was bang on. Her eye makeup gave me that summery vibes and I absolutely love her eye makeup. So I tried to recreate this look inspired by her. So if you want to see how I create this, then please keep on watching. For foundation, I've taken the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation and I'm mixing it with my YBP color cream. And for primer, I had used the COLORBAR primer. Now to highlight my face, I'm using the Maybelline concealer. Setting my face with the MAC powder foundation. Highlighting my under eyes with the banana powder from the NYX contour kit. Taking the first bronzer shade from the same palette, I'm bronzing up my face. For blush, I'm using this GLAMGALS blusher. Now setting my face with the L'Oreal setting spray. I did my brows off camera. Highlighting my face with the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I'm taking the shade number 4. Now starting up with my eye makeup, I'm using the same palette, the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette. First taking the shade Bel Air, applying it on my crease with my PAC 393 brush. Now taking the shade My Type, applying it on my outer corners of the eyes with this MAC 217 brush. Now applying the shade Rule Breaker, starting from my inner corners to the 1/3 of my eye. Now blending the shade with the same Bel Air shade with my MAC 217 brush. Applying the same crease shades on my lower lash line. Applying Plum Kajal on my waterline. Now applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And for falsies, I went with HAZEL from Kingdom of Lashes. First I went with the Maybelline lipstick by the Loaded Bowls. Then for the gloss, I went with the Faces Go Chic lip gloss in the shade Candy Eyes. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like my effort, and if you did, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And please share this video, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye guys.